Hey developers, so let's learn how we can use text align property in Tailwind CSS. As you can see, I have a paragraph element with text 5xl. So let's try using a text-center class. If I save this file, if I go to the browser, you can see this text is in the center. So now let's try to use a text right class. And if I save the file, if I go back to the browser again, you can see this text is on the right side. There is another class that you can use, and for that we need a longer text. So let's try using lorem ipsum here, and the class name is text justify. And to see the effect, we need the width class as well. So class width, let's make it 450 pixel. If I save this file, if I open the browser, if I reload the page, you can see the text is justified.